Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak with an air fryer. First, choose a quality steak cut, like a ribeye or sirloin, ideally about 1 inch thick. Pat it thoroughly dry with paper towels. This is crucial for achieving a beautiful crust. Then, season your steak generously on all sides with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any other favorite steak seasonings you enjoy. This initial preparation sets the stage for a truly delicious meal. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by preheating your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. This ensures a consistent cooking temperature. Carefully place your seasoned steak in the air fryer basket, making sure it's in a single layer to allow for proper air circulation. Cook the steak for approximately 8 to 12 minutes, remembering to flip it over halfway through the cooking time for an even cook on both sides. Determining doneness is key to a perfect steak. Always use a meat thermometer to accurately check the internal temperature. For a delicious medium rare, you're looking for about 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked to your preference, remove the steak from the air fryer. It's vital to let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in a more tender and flavorful bite. Your air-fried steak is ready to be enjoyed. When slicing, always cut against the grain. This shortens the muscle fibers, making each bite incredibly tender. Serve your beautifully cooked steak immediately alongside your favorite side dishes, perhaps some roasted vegetables or a fresh salad. And a quick tip: clean your air fryer basket soon after use to make maintenance much easier for your next delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.